In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to import cookies to Google Chrome. So let's get started. So here we are in Google Chrome, and first thing that you want to do is to go here into the extensions right here in the top right. And now you want to click here on Manage Extensions. Next, go into Chrome Web Store by clicking here on the left button. And once you're here, you want to go here into search, and then you want to type in J2 Theme Cookies, which is this one. And then you want to add this into Chrome and click on Add Extension. And then once it's added, you will now be able to see that right here on your extension. So just, you can pin this if you don't want to. So here, pin, and then click here on the extension. And basically from here, since we would want to import, you want to go click here on import or the drop down if you would want to import from file, text, or URL. So click here and it will now open up this one right here. So you can now just select the cookie extension right here on your storage, and you will now be able to import it here into your Google Chrome. And not just that, you could also export this cookies, and then you'd be able to import them into another Google Chrome browser or another device. So it is a really handy extension. And if for some reason you can't use the J2 Theme Cookies or it's not working properly for you, then there are also other extensions right here. Like for example is the Cookie Bro extension right here. So you could also import your cookies using this one right here, but I don't know why, but as for now, it is not available because for some reason it didn't follow the rules here in Chrome. I just found it out, but I was using this before I was using J2 Theme. And same goes if you go for Firefox, you could also use the Cookie Bro. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.